guys, my name is Chantel Mila and I run the Instagram and TikTok pages Mama Mila, where I post home tips and tricks and hacks. So one of the top questions that I get asked is to do more longer form content. So I'm really excited to bring you this longer form bedroom makeover tutorial. So my bedroom videos on Instagram and TikTok have accumulated millions of views, but so many of you have asked if I could slow it down and we can go through this step by step on how to create a beautiful oasis space in your bedrooms and in your homes to be able to relax at the end of the day. So with the current state of the world at the moment, it is so important to have that space in your home to be able to relax and unwind. For some people, their bedrooms are also their office spaces, and creating that separation is really important for mental health. So the bedroom makeover that we are going to be doing today, it doesn't cost anything. It probably uses items that you already have in your house. If you don't have any of the items, you can skip over those things. The next time you do a grocery shop, pick up some of these items. It won't cost you any more than, $2 to $3, but it will make such a difference to your home. All right, so let's get started with it. I do when I start my fresh sheet Sunday is I sprinkle bicarb soda and a little bit of essential oil on my bed. Both my husband and my daughter have dust mite allergies, so this process helps deodorize and refresh your bed, but also helps remove any dust mites that might be lingering under there. Even if you use a waterproof mattress protector, they can still be in there. So let's start with that. Once you've got your bicarb soda and essential oils mixed on the bed, you can already smell it in your room. It smells incredible, and you can use whichever essential oil you prefer and however many drops you prefer. I use about 5 to 10 drops. If you find that too strong, you can also bring that down as well. The essential oil that I use, and I've used for years, is Dream Drops by Eco Modern, and it is so beautiful. I really love it. But again, you can use whichever essential oil you prefer, or if you have pets or young kids in the home and you don't want to use essential oil, completely optional. Just use the bicarb soda. That will still work to deodorize and refresh your bed. So you can leave that on, you can leave it on up to 10 hours, however long you prefer. I will leave mine on for maybe about half an hour. While that's on your bed, what I like to do in that time is wipe down my bedsides and vacuum the top area of my bed head. That area, it accumulates so much dust, and it's just a really forgotten about area. So let's go do that. Alright, so I just finished vacuuming and I popped my waterproof mattress protector on the bed. So important as a mum of two, the amount of times the kids come crawling into the bed when they're not feeling that well. Definitely important to have a waterproof mattress protector on your bed. So now for the fun part, we're going to get to styling, and we'll start with our fitted sheet. Now, fitted sheets are pretty straightforward, but a little hack that I do have is that before you start putting it on your bed, find the little tag on the inside, and that tag goes on the bottom right-hand corner, and that way you're not spinning around trying to find which way your fitted sheet goes on. We move on to our flat sheet. So a little trick with your flat sheet is, if you're not a lover of ironing, who is? I'm definitely not. While you're tucking in your flat sheet, just get a little bottle filled with plain tap water and spray it as you tuck your sheets in. It shouldn't spray enough for it to get wet or too damp, but just a really fine mist. And as you tuck it in, you'll completely see all the wrinkles go away just with the process of dampening the fibers and pulling the sheets taut. Next, we will move on to pillows. So with my pillows, I usually do 2 Euro cushions up the back of the bed. Those are 65 by 65 centimeters. Then I do 1 set of standard cushions or standard pillows, which is the actual ones that we sleep on, and then another set of pillows which match the linen that I'm putting on. Really let your personality shine through with them. On my TikTok, I have a whole series on how to decorate your bed based on your personality or based on your star sign. You can go have a look at those, or just really like dig deep, look at the things that you wear, look at the different things that you buy, and pull those elements of your personality into your linen. I'm doing my linen in white today, and I will link some of the items that I've used below. Another hack with your pillows, if you are finding that they are looking a little bit flat, is that you can pop them into your dryer, balanced one on either side with a tennis ball inside, and let that run for about 5 minutes. The tennis ball bouncing up against the 2 pillows helps fluff them up. And now on to your doona or duvet or quilt, whatever you call it. I like, again, a very traditional bedding kind of look. So I drape mine across the bed, and then I just do a little tuck over at the top. Go. Here's the full look. If you have any questions, please drop them below. I'd love to answer them. I'd love to hear any feedback that you might have on my first long form YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this one, and let me know below what you would like to see next. As you would know, I do so many audience requests. I love doing them, and I'd love to hear from you guys. Have a great day.